Today, we're going to talk about social media monetization. You know, that dream of earning a living from something you're truly passionate about? It's a really powerful idea, and it affects millions of creators every single day. This is the big promise, right? The one the platforms often make. Start a channel, build an audience, and you can turn your creativity into an actual career. It sounds amazing, and honestly, it's why so many of us start creating content in the first place. Now, our goal here is not to discourage you at all. It's really just to give you a clear, honest picture of how this whole system works. That way, you can make smart decisions and protect your creative energy. So it all begins with this message of hope. The platforms, they encourage you to share your talents, to grow a community, and they lay out what seems like a pretty clear path. Just create great content, get views, and eventually you'll start earning money. And this, well, this is where that hopeful picture starts to get just a little bit more complicated. Because the journey from creating your very first video to earning your first dollar, it has some pretty big hurdles that aren't always obvious right from the start. Before you can monetize anything, platforms require you to meet these specific and often very, very high goals. And we're not talking about small goals here. They demand a huge investment of your time and your effort. Okay, so for example, let's take a big platform like YouTube. One of their requirements is that you need 4,000 hours of public watch time, all within 12 months. I want you to just think about that. That's 240,000 minutes of people watching your stuff. It's just a massive amount of engagement you have to build before you're even eligible to apply. And here's the real core of the issue. While you are grinding away, working towards those 4,000 hours, the platform can still put ads on your videos. But until you're officially monetized, they keep 100% of that ad money. You earn zero from your own work during that entire time. So the most crucial thing to understand is that these platforms, they're businesses. Their number one goal is to make money, and their whole business model is built on having a constant, endless stream of new content. Your work is literally the fuel for their platform. If you break it down, their strategy is pretty straightforward. First, they dangle that promise of earning money. Second, they set those really high goals that basically guarantee you'll keep making more and more content for them. And third, they profit from all that free content and from all the free marketing you're doing for them. Think about it. Every single time you ask your friends, your family, or anyone in your social circle to subscribe to your channel or go watch your new video, you're not just promoting yourself. You are actively bringing new users directly to their platform, growing their audience at absolutely no cost to them. And then there's another challenge. The algorithm. You might pour your heart into making an amazing video, but it gets almost no views. At the same time, a huge established creator can post something similar and it just goes viral. Now, that isn't just bad luck. The system is often designed to give more of a boost to people who are already popular. And what that does is it pushes new creators to just keep churning out content, hoping that one day one video will finally break through. Now, knowing all this isn't meant to make you quit. It's meant to empower you. You can actually shift your mindset from being just a content creator for a platform to being a strategic builder of your own brand. Let me show you how. First thing, focus on building your brand, something that can exist outside of any single platform. From there, use multiple platforms. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Always keep your content original because that is your unique value. And maybe most importantly, protect your time and your well-being. Please don't burn yourself out for a system that isn't really designed to reward you in the beginning. This right here is the core principle. Before you dive headfirst into that content grind, just pause. Think about what your real long-term goals are, and then create with a clear strategy that serves you first. The goal here is not to be afraid of these platforms, but just to understand them. When you're informed and you're cautious, you can navigate this whole world so much more safely and effectively. It's true what they say, awareness really is protection. So as you continue on your creative path, it's really worth asking yourself this simple but incredibly powerful question. Just make sure that all the hard work you're putting in today is building the future that you want for yourself. Stay aware and create wisely.